Have you ever wondered how different technologies talk to each other in the digital age we live in? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the unsung hero of our internet experience, APIs or application programming interfaces. Now, don't let the jargon intimidate you. Think of an API like a waiter at a restaurant. You, the customer, have a menu of choices. That's your software application. The kitchen is the system that will prepare your order. But how do you communicate your order to the kitchen and then get your food delivered to your table? That's what the waiter, or in our case, the API does. APIs are the invisible connectors, facilitating conversation between different software systems, letting them interact, share data, and perform actions without needing to understand the inner workings of each other. Just as a waiter takes your order to the kitchen and brings your food back to your table, an API carries requests between systems and returns the response. APIs come in different shapes and sizes, each serving its own purpose. Let's dive into the different types of APIs: public, private, and partner APIs. Public APIs are like open invitations available for any developer to use. Prime examples include Google Maps or Twitter, which provide APIs for developers to plug into their apps and add extra functionality. On the other hand, private APIs are like secret handshakes. They're internal to a company and used to improve services within that organization. They're the unsung heroes that ensure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Then we have partner APIs, which are shared between business partners and not available publicly. These APIs allow businesses to collaborate and share data securely, fostering innovation and growth. So why are APIs so important? They're the communication bridges that allow different software systems to interact without needing to understand how each system works. They save developers a colossal amount of time and enable apps to share data and perform actions on each other's behalf. Every time you check the weather on your phone or log into an app using your Instagram account, you're using APIs. They're working tirelessly in the background, making these interactions smooth and seamless. APIs are like invisible powerhouses, quietly working in the background to make our digital experiences smooth and seamless. They're the unsung heroes that make our connected world possible. So next time you use your favorite app, take a moment to appreciate the API magic happening behind the scenes. Let's dive into some real-world examples to understand how APIs touch our lives. Picture yourself booking a flight online. You input your destinations and dates, and voila! A list of options from various airlines appear. How does this happen? Well, the booking site uses an API to fetch data directly from different airlines in real time. The API is working behind the scenes to bring you the best deals without the hassle of visiting multiple websites. Now, let's switch gears and talk about fitness trackers. These wristbound wizards collect data on your steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns. But the data doesn't just stay on the device. The tracker's API sends this data to your phone, where specialized apps use it to generate those neat graphs and health tips. Without APIs, your fitness goals would be a lot harder to track and understand. Lastly, let's consider a small business owner who uses APIs to integrate their point-of-sale system with their inventory software. When a customer buys an item, the sale is recorded and the inventory is automatically updated in real time. This seamless process saves time, reduces errors, and increases efficiency, all thanks to APIs. So whether it's finding the perfect flight, staying on top of your health, or running a small business, APIs are there, working quietly in the background to make our digital experiences better. They're the invisible thread that connects different technologies, making our lives simpler, more efficient, and let's face it, more interesting. From fetching flight data to tracking your health goals, APIs are everywhere, making our digital experiences better.